How to fix Play Store try again problem. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem, as you can see right here, all what you have to do is go back to your phone and go to the settings option, and then all what you have to do is go to the apps manager, click on apps and click again on apps, and then all what you have to do is just let's wait a few seconds, and then let's search for Play Store. Now here is it, click on the Play Store, and now all what you have to do is so simple and easy, so please keep watching. Go to the storage option right here, as you can see, and then all what you have to do is click on clear cache and clear data, and after you click on them, the Play Store is gonna work for you so well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the very end.